We're on the backwaters of Wallagoot Lake, and it's a terrific haven for seabirds. Investigating the possibility of doing twilight tours for people here. It's just so many things come out at night that we don't see on our day paddles. So here we have our group out on the water already, and we're about to go and join them. We have our underwater light, and it's when animals, marine animals, come out. A lot of the days we don't see small organisms like prawns. At night time, they're out. And that's what we're going to see tonight. Very exciting. And then come and join us.